Hey there, Oviedo neighbors. I'm Chris Kapp, your trusted local realtor here in beautiful Oviedo, Florida. If you're thinking about buying a home or you're already in the process, there's one key step I don't want you to skip: hiring a licensed home inspector. Today, we're going to dive into why this is so important and how it can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, so it's crucial to know exactly what you're getting into. That's where a licensed home inspector comes in. They'll carefully examine the property to uncover any hidden issues that may not be visible during a standard showing. Even newer homes can have issues, and catching them early can save you thousands. Here are 3 big reasons to always use a licensed inspector. 1, they spot hidden problems. From plumbing leaks to foundation cracks, a licensed inspector knows what to look for, especially when dealing with termites. I can't tell you how many times I've saved my clients thousands of dollars because the home we inspected turned out to be infested. It seems by the naked eye the home's in great shape, but you don't know what you're looking for. 2, negotiation power. If the inspection reveals major repairs, you can use that information to negotiate with the seller, whether it's a price adjustment, repair credits, or getting them to fix the issues before you close. 3, peace of mind. Knowing the home has been thoroughly inspected gives you confidence in your purchase. No one likes surprises, especially expensive ones after moving in. I always recommend my clients to hire a licensed inspector because they're trained to follow strict standards of practice. Here in Florida, inspectors must meet state licensing requirements, which means they've got the expertise to ensure your future home is safe and sound. Before you hire an inspector, here's a couple questions to ask. Are you licensed and insured in Florida? Where's your inspection cover? Can I attend the inspection? How soon can I get the report? As your local realtor, I have trusted inspectors I can recommend who know Oviedo's homes inside and out. Several of them that I exclusively use build homes on the side as well, so they really know what they're talking about. Remember, an inspection is an investment in your future. It's about protecting your family and your finances. As your local realtor, I have trusted inspectors who I can recommend who know Oviedo's homes inside and out. Until next time, I'm Chris Kapp, your Oviedo real estate expert, helping you find the perfect place to call home. Contact me if you want any recommendations on an inspector to call. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel to get instant notifications on my next video. Remember, when you think real estate, call Chris Kapp.